how to use an Erbauer drill as a screwdriver. Now, what a lot of people do is to try and get a drill bit like this. It's just a flathead drill bit. Get it in the end here, anti-clockwise on the chuck, put it in as it gets smaller, and hopefully that sticks like that. But as you can see, not the best and not the most convenient. Now what I recommend is getting one of these little adapters. I'll leave a link in the description below. This is just a basic cheap one. You do exactly the same. Open up the chuck, put it in, make sure it's gripping properly, tighten it up, and then what this allows you to do is quickly insert your drill bit like that, and you've turned it into a screwdriver. So if you want to change the drill bit, it's magnetic this, so you just pull it out, get a different bit, enter it like that. So hopefully that helps you use an Erbauer drill as a screwdriver. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.